Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 23rd, 2024, and we have an intriguing lineup of stories for you. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Our first story today revolves around a peculiar claim made by Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov. Kadyrov has accused Elon Musk of remotely disabling a Tesla Cybertruck that he claims was equipped with a turret and sent to the front line of the Ukraine war. Kadyrov had previously expressed gratitude to Musk for supposedly gifting him the vehicle, a claim Musk has firmly denied, calling it unbelievable. In a recent Telegram post, Kadyrov criticized Musk's actions as not manly and expressed his displeasure over the alleged remote disconnection of the truck. Despite the controversy, Kadyrov praised the Cybertruck as undoubtedly one of the best cars in the world, mentioning that 2 other units had already been deployed for combat. Musk has not commented on the situation, leaving many to speculate about the veracity of Kadyrov's claims. Kadyrov's accusations come amid ongoing military operations in Ukraine, where he has been actively involved. He shared footage of the new Cybertrucks, asserting that they were functioning normally despite his claims about the first vehicle being disabled. The Cybertruck, which was unveiled in 2019, is fully electric and has a starting price of around $90,000 in the US. Kadyrov, who has faced international criticism for human rights violations, has been sanctioned by the US, UK, and EU for his actions. The situation highlights the intersection of technology, warfare, and international relations, particularly in the context of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Tesla and beyond.